Hardship is the test, and the artist, the true creator, is the one who dares to face it. Picture a truck on a long, uneven road. The load is heavy, the path is steep, and every mile demands effort. To someone watching, it might look easier to turn back, to avoid the challenge. But the driver presses forward. Gear by gear, the truck proves its strength not on the smooth highway, but on the roughest climbs. Life is built the same way. Difficulty is not a punishment. It is the exam that shows what we're made of. Anyone can move forward when the road is flat, when the skies are clear. But when storms arrive, when obstacles rise, only those who face them reveal their true character. An artist knows this. With every stroke of the pencil, there's the risk of mistakes, the risk of failure. But the masterpiece only emerges because they keep drawing, keep adjusting, keep daring to confront the challenge on the page. So when hardships appear in your own journey, don't shy away. See them as the test that sharpens your skill, deepens your resilience, and gives meaning to your path. Because just like the truck grinding up the hill, your value isn't proven by avoiding difficulty. It's proven by facing it and moving forward anyway.